Accounts payable option when enabled will create an accounts payable transaction in QuickBooks for the purchase entered in RMH. Any purchase returns in RMH will also create an adjustment in the QuickBooks accounts payable if the accounts payable option is enabled. If the accounts payable option is not enabled, the transaction will be posted in the accrued purchases account. The accounting department can then move the amount from accrued purchases to accounts payable when the invoice is received from the supplier. The QuickBooks Desktop limitation for the accounts receivable does not apply to QuickBooks accounts payable, since the transactions are not combined into a batch. There are 4 kinds of inventory adjustments in RMH. Whether the inventory is adjusted on item card or through the adjustment screen, whether the inventory has been marked offline or adjust in stock taking, the system will generate appropriate entries to update the adjustment in QuickBooks. Inventory transfer in and out works when there is more than one store in the RMH database. When the inventory is transferred from one location to the other, the sending store will create a transfer out. Transfer out generates an accounting entry in QuickBooks to transfer the inventory from in stock to transit. Creation of transfer in by the receiving store moves the inventory from transit to the inventory of the receiving store.